Long ago, in the mystical lands of ancient Egypt, there reigned a god named Osiris, the ruler of the underworld, and his beloved wife, Isis. But their harmony was shattered by Osiris' jealous brother, Set, the god of chaos and desert storms. Desiring the throne, Set deceitfully murdered Osiris, dismembering his body and scattering the parts across Egypt. Devastated, Isis painstakingly gathered Osiris' remains and used her magic to bring him back to life, but only in the underworld, where he would reign as the king of the dead. Their son, Horus, the falcon-headed god, vowed to avenge his father and reclaim his rightful throne. Trained by Isis, Horus grew in strength, wisdom, and skills needed for the inevitable confrontation with Set. Various gods supported Horus, believing in his rightful claim and despising Set's tyranny. The fateful battles between Horus and Set were fierce and took place in various locations across Egypt, including deserts, rivers, and even the skies. Set, transformed into a monstrous beast, was unmatched in brute strength, while Horus showcased agility, strategy, and divine tools bestowed by the gods. The conflict endured over 80 years, filled with moments of deception, courage, and magic. One notable moment of the battle saw Set gouging out Horus' left eye, later known as the Eye of Horus. However, with the healing powers of his mother, the eye was restored and became a powerful symbol of protection and royal power. Eventually, Horus triumphed, capturing Set and bringing him before the gods' tribunal. Set was condemned and banished, ensuring peace and order for all of Egypt. Horus took his rightful place as the pharaoh of the gods, symbolizing the victory of good over evil, order over chaos. The imagery of Horus, often depicted as a falcon or with a falcon-headed man, and Set represented as a figure with the head of an enigmatic creature, adorned the temples and inscriptions of ancient Egypt. The story of their battle is a testament to resilience, justice, and the eternal struggle between light and darkness. This tale, passed down through generations, continues to inspire. Thank you for watching this journey through time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest stories, and share your thoughts or special requests in the comments below. Have a wonderful day.